This is one thing I wish I knew before I started my weight loss journey. First things first, on the left, this is me 2.5 years ago. I was around 205 pounds, and this is the day I decided that I'm freaking sick of it. And this is me. Currently, I'm sitting around 142, 145. Depends on the day, my weight fluctuates a little bit. Okay, so one thing I wish I knew before I lost all that weight is it's actually not even a thing. It's more a realization, a very honest realization. Realization about what? About food, of course. What I wish I knew is that my relationship with food was really, really flawed. When I was 205 pounds, I gave food way too much power. When I was happy, I would eat. When I was sad, I would eat. When I was stressed, I would eat. When I was bored, guess what I would do? I would eat. So naturally, food became my go-to. I gave it so much power and assigned so many emotions to food and feeling stuffed that I just didn't know any other way to make myself happy and satisfied. And for me, things got worse when I moved to United States when I was 18. I moved here for college, and I felt lonely. I was stressed. Sometimes I was not happy. I missed my family and friends from Poland. And so what I would do, I would eat. So I really depended on food so heavily. Thinking about it, I really wish that that was the first thing that I recognized before I started even my weight loss journey. I think that healing your relationship with food is extremely important, because if we think about it in a nutshell, food is fuel. Food, of course, it's fun, it's delicious, we all love it, I love it, I still do. But when food becomes an obsession or our main source of happiness, that's when it is a little bit toxic. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please follow me.